The ObserveIT session recording system captures video of all on-screen activity while users work on servers and desktops. ObserveIT provides complete visibility into user activity on company computers through the use of fully indexed and searchable video logs. Customers use this information to address security, compliance, IT operational, and human resources needs. The system supports Windows and most Unix/Linux platforms over nearly every remote access protocol, plus local console access. Additional features which we will present later in this demo make ObserveIT an even more important asset for IT security, IT operations, and regulatory compliance. Let's take a look at the product in action. At the core of ObserveIT is the ability to review the activity performed by users during every session. We can see all the sessions per computer, as seen here in the server diary, or per user, as seen here in the user diary. Unlike many other logging systems, ObserveIT is all about monitoring user behavior. We can click the video icon to play back any session on demand. For sessions currently in progress, we can also watch the session as it proceeds in real time. The session video player allows us to slow down or speed up the playback and jump to the next or previous activity area with a click, just like skipping chapters on a DVD player. Noteworthy session videos can be downloaded for sharing with other people who do not need access to this console. Because large organizations have thousands of hours of recorded sessions, and because we don't always know exactly where to look, there are two other ways to find user activity of interest without sitting through hours of video. Firstly, if we are interested to see what happened on a particular computer or what a particular user was up to, we can expand any session and quickly review a textual activity summary of what the user did during the session. This summary is automatically generated by the software. In this case, we can see at a glance that Frank, logged in as administrator, was in the default website properties dialog of IIS Manager, and that he edited the hosts file in Notepad. If we wanted to see exactly what Frank did while editing the host file, for example, we can click that item in the summary to launch the video playback from that exact point in the video. The second scenario is for when we are looking for any time anyone accessed a particular application, file, system command, configuration setting, and so forth. For this, we use the free text search page. Let's first take a look at a Unix activity search example. Let's say we want to find who deleted a particular file named Budget 2014. We see that a user named Fred deleted this file. We can click the video icon to see this event in the recorded video. In the video, we see that the file was actually deleted when Fran ran a script called Innocent Script. Of course, by only recording the on-screen activity, there would be no way for us to find that Innocent Script had any connection with the budget file because the file name Budget 2014 never appeared on the screen in this session. However, ObserveIT allows us to look under the hood and discover that the so-called Innocent Script was actually responsible for deleting this file. In Unix/Linux environments, search keywords will match command lines run, scripts executed, and even the underlying system commands and the resources affected. Let's take a look at a couple of advanced searches. In Windows environments, we can search for almost any particular action performed by a user. Matching keyword hits will be found in the names of applications run, titles of windows opened, URLs accessed, commands executed, text typed, edited, pasted, selected, etc., checkboxes clicked, registry keys modified, and much more. Some of these items are searchable only by ObserveIT due to its advanced key logging feature. This is one of the advantages that makes ObserveIT the most advanced solution of its kind. For example, let's say we wanted to find who it was who unchecked the log visits checkbox for a particular server. We can actually enter the name of this checkbox into the search box. And here we go. We see that a user named John was the one who did this. Clicking the video icon for this event brings up the session video at this exact moment. Here's another example. Let's say we wanted to find who entered a particular value into a registry key. We'll search for the key's value, and ObserveIT will find it, even though if we rewind the video a bit, we'll see that the user never even typed in this value at all. He only used the backspace key to delete part of a longer value, leaving a final value that he never typed. ObserveIT found it anyway, something that your typical keylogger could never do. There is much more to ObserveIT than we can show in this brief demo, but let's quickly touch on a few more of the system's key features. The system can be configured to require users to provide a secondary identification when logging in via a shared account, such as administrator or root. Active Directory accounts are supported. This provides individual identification for all administrators and remote vendors logging into sensitive machines without the expense or complexity of a password vault or password check-in or check-out. The DBA Activity Audit feature provides easy monitoring of all SQL queries executed by DBAs against production databases, discoverable by date, database, DB user, server, login ID, or any keyword contained within the queries. ObserveIT has highly customizable recording policies which offer a wide range of configuration options. This makes it easy to record or exclude particular users and/or activity zones, such as particular applications, URLs, or so forth. To protect employee privacy, the system can be configured to require a second set of credentials in order to view any recorded session video. The additional credentials would typically be held by legal counsel or an employee union representative. Other features include a threat detection console for early proactive discovery of potential risks, graphical user and server statistics, a login message feature for delivering general notes or compliance policy information as required by law, powerful report generator, identity theft detection, SIM integration, for example with Splunk, ticketing system integration, for example with ServiceNow. Let's conclude by mentioning the 5 most important benefits that organizations gain when implementing ObserveIT. 1 is improved IT security capabilities with unique early data breach detection. 2, unparalleled remote vendor monitoring. 3, much easier compliance accountability. 4, more efficient IT operations including faster forensic investigations and effortless documentation. And 5, improved employee productivity and better HR monitoring. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To learn more about ObserveIT, contact us today.